Hi, hello, my sweet kids. Good morning. Okay, now we are learning numbers up to 1000. No? The previous class we learned up to 500. Today we are going to learn from 501 to 800. Okay, and you know that the numbers 501, 502, 503 like that it goes, and after 599 and 600 will come, isn't it? Then 601, 602, 603 like that it goes, and 699 after that 700 will come, isn't it? Then after 700 what will come? 701, 702, 703 like that it's 799, and after that this number will come. What is that? 800. So among this we are going to learn about the same. What will come after, what will come before, and what comes in between. Okay. So first we are going to learn about what comes after. What comes after. What comes after. Okay. First question. $560. What is the number name of this? 569. After 569, here comes what? What comes after this number? 570. Isn't it? 570. Then B. That is 676. After that, what will come? So, 677. Isn't it? Then C. 799. After that, the next number. What will come there? After 799, 800 will come there. Isn't it? So, this we call it as what comes after. One number, we are one adding to this number. 569 next number, 570. 676 next number, 677. And 799, after 799 what will come? 800. That we call it as what comes after. Now the second category of this, what comes before? What comes before? What comes before? What comes before? And among that first question, what will come? Dash 732. That means which number comes ahead of this number? So 732, before that what number will come? 731. Correct. Then B. Dash 700. Before 700, which number will come there? What number will come there? 699. 699, 700. See this? Then C. 700 dash 745. So what will come here? 744. So this we call it as what comes before, ahead of this number, what comes there. It is called what comes before. 731, 732. 699, 700. 744, 745. Next category, that is what comes in between. What comes? Now we are going to learn about what comes in between. In between. This one number ahead is there, one number after is there, and in between what number will come. So 562 dash 564. What will come? 563. 563. 562, 563, 564. Here 679, 680 and 681. Here 794, 795 and 796. That we call it as in between. Now coming, fill in the blanks. 522 dash 524, 525. So what will come here? 523, 522, 523, 524 and 525. Here 601, then 602, then 603 and 604. Then next 777, 778, 779 and 780. That is the fill in the blanks. That's numbers from 501 to 800. Okay.
Hello my kids. I hope you all are doing good job at home. As you can see, today we are going to start our maths class. In maths class today we will learn about 3-digit numbers. Let's learn. So today in 3-digit numbers we will learn about before numbers, between numbers and after numbers. Let's learn. So first of all we will learn about before numbers. Can you see the colorful boxes? Yes, and there are some 3-digit numbers written here. So, do you know how to know before numbers? Then we count the numbers in backward direction. Then we get the before number. Let's have examples. See, 567. Now tell me which number comes before 567? Yes, 566. Very good. Now tell me which number comes before 566? Yes, 565. Very good. Now tell me which number comes before 565? Yes, 564. Excellent. Now tell me which number comes before 564? Yes, 563. Okay. Now tell me which number comes before 563? Yes, 562. Wonderful, my kids. I hope now you have understood how to know before numbers. Let's move ahead. Now we will learn about after numbers. Can you see the colorful boxes? Yes, there are some 3-digit numbers written here. You know how to know after numbers? Then we count the numbers in forward direction. Then we get the after numbers. Let's have some examples. Can you see the number 833? Now tell me which number comes after 833? Yes, 834. Okay, now tell me which number comes after 834? Yes, 835. Now tell me which number comes after 835? Yes, 836. Now tell me which number comes after 836? Yes, 837. Okay, now last. Tell me which number comes after 837? Yes, 838. I hope now you have understood how to know after numbers. Now we will learn about between numbers. Can you see the 3 boxes? Here are some numbers. 399, 400, 401. Now tell me which number comes between 399 and 401. Think and tell me fast. Yes, 400 comes between 399 and 401. Wonderful. Here is one more example. Can you see the boxes? Can you see the numbers? 836, 837, 838. Now tell me which number comes between 836 and 838. Yes, 837 comes between 836 and 838. Well done, my kids. Now let's practice before numbers. Can you see the number 173? Now we will count in backward direction. So before 173, which number comes? Okay, think which number comes before 73? Yes, 72. So before 173, which number comes? Yes, 172. Okay. Now tell me which number comes before 400? Think. Count the numbers in backward direction. Think which number comes before 400? 399. Well done. Now last, tell me which number comes before 530? Think which number comes before 30? Yes, so before 530, which number? Yes, 529 comes before 530. Excellent. Now we will practice after numbers. Can you see the number? So, which number comes after 190? You have to count in forward direction. Yes, 191. Very good. Now tell me which number comes after 665? Yes, 666. Last. Now tell me which number comes after 989? I know you can do it. Yes, 990. Well done. Now we will practice between numbers. Can you see the numbers? 136 and 138. Now think and answer. Tell me which number comes between 136 and 138? Yes, 137. Next, which number comes between 779 and 777? Think. Yes, 778 comes between 777 and 779. Now think about the last one. Which number comes between 109 and 111? Count. 109, 110. So 110 comes between 109 and 111. Superb, my kids. I hope now you have understood all the numbers. So we have learned before numbers, after numbers and between numbers. Thank you, my kids.